As we are still in the early stages of the iPhone 16 release cycle, rumors about Apple's iPhone 17 models for 2025 have already begun to surface. This next generation could feature one of the most significant design updates since the iPhone X in 2017. Apple is expected to introduce a new iPhone 17 Air model. This version will likely have a much thinner design, a new display size, a different camera appearance, and additional enhancements. The anticipated lineup for 2025 includes 4 models: the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the new iPhone 17 Air. Notably, Apple will discontinue the Plus variant. The Air model will not replace the Plus, but will join the lineup as a new option. Current rumors suggest that the iPhone 17 will feature a thinner profile with a display around 6.6 inches and a chassis that is 6 millimeters. This design has been compared to the MacBook Air, with the iPhone 17 Pro acting as the MacBook Pro equivalent. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max have display sizes of 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches, respectively. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to fall between these two sizes. There are also speculations that the standard iPhone 17 might increase in overall size. While some rumors propose that the slimmer iPhone 17 could be a high-end device priced higher than the Pro Max, others suggest it will be positioned between the standard and Pro models. Initial reports indicated a slimmer dynamic island for some iPhone 17 models. However, new information suggests this feature will remain unchanged. All 4 models are expected to include ProMotion display technology with a 120 Hz maximum refresh rate. This upgrade will provide smoother scrolling and video playback. Additionally, Apple is planning to implement an anti-reflective display that is more scratch-resistant than the current ceramic shield. In terms of camera updates, Apple is working on a 24-megapixel front-facing camera with a 6-element lens. The iPhone 17 Pro Max may include an upgraded 48-megapixel telephoto camera, an improvement from the current 12-megapixel sensor. At least one iPhone 17 model will feature a mechanical aperture, allowing users to adjust the amount of light entering the lens for better control over depth of field. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 series will be powered by the new A19 chips, while the next generation 2-nanometer chips from TSMC are not expected yet. The upgraded 3-nanometer process will deliver faster and more efficient performance. The Pro models will feature the A19 Pro chip, while the standard and Air models will use the standard A19 chip. In terms of memory, the Pro Max is expected to come with 12 gigabytes of RAM, and the other models will have 8 gigabytes. Connectivity upgrades include Apple's own 5G modem for the Air model, moving away from Qualcomm to offer a more integrated and energy-efficient solution. Additionally, all models will support Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth enhancements, ensuring faster and more reliable wireless connections. The physical SIM tray will be removed from the Air model and in more countries next year, continuing the trend started with the iPhone 14 in the United States. Battery life improvements are also on the horizon. The Pro and Pro Max models may feature easier-to-remove batteries thanks to new adhesive technology, simplifying battery replacements. All models will sport tougher, anti-reflective displays that surpass the durability of the current ceramic shield, reducing scratches and enhancing longevity. Regarding pricing, the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to start at $999, while the Air model will be positioned at a more affordable price point. Apple plans to launch the entire iPhone 17 lineup in September 2025, following the release of the iPhone 16 models in 2024. Looking ahead, the iPhone 18 Pro, slated for 2026, might introduce foldable screens or advanced DSLR-like camera controls, continuing Apple's trend of innovation. In summary, the iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to offer significant design and performance enhancements. From the ultra-thin Air model to the powerful Pro Max cameras and advanced display technology, Apple continues to push the boundaries of smartphone technology.